We're just getting started on the Mount Mansfield trail. We cheated a little bit and
it's actually the long trail to the summit of Mount Mansfield.
we're taking the long trail. See, it even says the long trail to the summit of Mount Mansfield, which is the tallest peak in Vermont. We're running a little low on time today, so we actually took the toll road, I'm sorry, a couple miles up, and now we're gonna hike the rest of the way to the summit. We're only a few minutes into this hike and the views are pretty awesome. We're eventually going all the way up there. We're not even that close to the top yet, but the view is pretty amazing. You can see Lake Champlain in the distance over there.
When you gotta go down to go back up, it's never fun. And she did it the hard way.
I always do things the hard way.
Because if you go this way, right here, it's...
I take the fun route, okay?
Fun route's more dangerous. More chance of a broken ankle.
We're almost there. Gotta say I'm very thankful for that breeze right now. It feels glorious. Just a note, if you do this trail, definitely wear good hiking boots, because I just have hiking sneakers on and I'm definitely sliding a little bit.
So we're probably at the last 100 feet or so to the summit. And the views up here are insane. Bunch of people up here though. Oh wow, this is insane. This is absolutely beautiful. And I don't sound like Darth Vader on camera. But this is absolutely incredible.
Here's the summit marker at the top of the mountain. Check out this view from the top. The highest point in Vermont. Here's a view from the other side. What goes up must come down. We're gonna head back down to the bottom and check out Lake Champlain. We made it. We officially climbed all the way up there, so we're just completing the hike now, and then we have to drive 4.6 miles down the toll road back to the beginning and get some food and go to Lake Champlain. So I said I wanted to see Lake Champlain. I didn't realize that we were gonna have to take a ferry over Lake Champlain to get to our hotel. We're headed over to Plattsburgh, New York now.